In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and install the rear door panels on your Kia Optima. Located on either side of the rear, let's get started. Using a trim tool, we're going to go ahead and remove this cover. What you want to do, you want to go ahead and slide it over here between the lock and the handle, and you want to pull it out. Go ahead and hold the handle while you do it and pull out the cover. Now we can get to the Phillips head bolt. Go ahead and remove it using a screwdriver. Using a plastic trim tool, we're gonna go ahead and pop off this rubber cover. So you wanna go ahead and wedge it on the side. You wanna apply some pressure, lift it up, and remove it. That's gonna unveil another Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. Take it out. Now that we have those two screws out of the way, we're gonna use a plastic trim tool. We're gonna start applying some pressure on this side, popping it off, and we're gonna be working our way around it to get the door panel off. So now that we have it pried over here, go ahead and do the same around the front of it. Now that we have it like this, we're gonna grab it on both sides and we're gonna lift up. With the panel off the door, we're gonna go ahead and take the cables off first. So you're gonna find there's gonna be a little tab. You're gonna go ahead and apply some pressure on that. And you're gonna swing this open to detach it from the door panel. And now we're gonna disconnect the window switch. Go ahead and apply some pressure onto the connector and pull it out. Now with the door panel, before we clip it in place, we're gonna start by plugging in the window switch. Go ahead and line up the connector. Push it in and just give it a light tug to make sure that it is in place. Now we can install the cables that connect to the door handle. Line it up. Push it in until you hear a click. Give it a light tug. And now we can go ahead and put it in place. We're gonna start at the top. We're gonna make sure that it is all the way down. Nice and flush. And now we can just push down and go around the whole outer side of the door panel and just clip it in. Now we can install this bolt. Go ahead and put it on the screwdriver. Do not over tighten this. This is going onto plastic. Get it nice and snug. Now we can install this cover. Pull on the door handle, line it up, and push it in. Next up, we're gonna install this bolt. Go ahead and put it on the screwdriver, line it up with the hole, and get it snug. Do not over tighten. This is going onto plastic. So just get it nice and snug. And now install this rubber cover. Slide it in. And get it in place. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.